G'day guys, I'm Luke Jackson and this is how you wrap your hands. First you get the loop, you put the loop around your thumb, you come around the wrist 2 or 3 times. Come around the knuckles, once again 2 or 3 times. Then you've got to come up around the thumb just once. You fold it under the thumb like this, and then come back up around the wrist. From there, you're going to bring it through every finger. So 1, 2, and 3. From there, it looks like you've got a bit of a mess. So my best way of explaining it is you got a heap of wrap left, and you've got to make it even across your hand and make it look neat. So we'll come around the wrist a couple times, back around the knuckles. We're gonna come around the thumb one more time. And we've still got a bit of wrap left. You're gonna make sure you keep your fingers nice and wide as you're doing it. You don't want them closed like this because you'll cut your circulation off. And you don't want to do the wrap too tight, guys. You're just nice and firm. And you bring it around and finish on the wrist. To wrap your hands properly, you want to have good protection on your knuckles, good thumb support, and good support around the wrist. So when you're punching, your wrist isn't going to bend. So it needs to be quite firm, but not too tight so it's going to cut your circulation off.